What's up, YouTube? You already know from the caption in this one, the Z Fold 8, the predecessor to the Z Fold 7, which I have right here. So obviously, as you guys know, I love the Samsung exclusive. This is the Samsung exclusive version, which is the, what was it, pistachio type color, but I don't think it is. It looks like the same mint kind of color as you guys can see, but I love, as you guys know in the this model right here, I love this color, that mint bluish greenish color. Hopefully it's the same. From the renders I've been seeing, it slightly looks a little dark, but a little bit darker, but hopefully it's the same as this one. But yeah, let's get straight into it. And to be honest, got a little bone to pick with Samsung. Obviously, the little incident I had with the Z Fold 7 in the inner display. As you guys know, we'll deep dive into that a little bit more later on in this video or in the review of the Z Fold 7 versus the Z Fold 8. And you already know, guys, I got some goodies for you. And actually, I was actually surprised that they're actually selling now Spigen brand. Well, on the Samsung shop, you could see that they have Spigen brand now, which took me a little bit off guard, which is pretty dope. And I thought this case was awesome. I got it for free. I didn't get the anti-reflective coating for the front display, but it's gonna come in the 11th. I don't know why that was in back order. Obviously, a lot more people want it, kind of what I thought. But with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Like always, guys, some ASMR for you guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Put this to the side. Same thing. Beautiful. All right. Oh, awesome. But like I said, it is a slightly darker color, but it's almost the same. You could definitely see it's a little bit darker, but really close. I mean, it's almost dead on. It's just slightly darker. You could tell from the camera cutout right here. This is more glass. This looks, well, sorry, glass. This is more of a metal titanium type frame. This is glass. But yeah, look at that. You can definitely tell this form factor is going to be awesome. And what I've been told is that the crease is less noticeable on this version, and I know they called it the Z Fold 8. I would have been better if it was the Z Fold Wide, because to be honest, I don't like how they called this the Ultra when it's not really a significant upgrade from the previous model. Well, not this one in particular, the Z Fold 8 Ultra. And I can't see why they call this, like, gave this the title of an Ultra device. Give me back the S Pen, better camera, and yeah, I would definitely give that the title the Ultra, but I don't really see the difference. Yeah, back to this. It is a beaut. What I can tell off the rip is the camera is black, but this one is like a shiny black, so that's more of a mattish. But yeah, it's looking beautiful. I definitely like this form factor because, oh, another thing, I did not, like I said a second ago, I did not send this phone back because I had an issue. It's still the same way how Samsung sent it back to me. So guys, I know it's gonna look a little weird, but you can see that they try to take out my screen protector because I had 2 dead pixels here, and it was definitely covered. I don't know why they said, well, I kind of could get, because they said it had that little minor scratch right there. That wasn't even like, it wasn't a dent or anything, but you guys can see that in my previous video. Well, in my short, I explained how it happened. Well, I don't even know how it happened. I just opened it and there was 2 dead pixels, but whatever. Long story short, I'm going to trade this one in for this one. I'm obviously going to do a review of both of these before I do that. But hopefully it's a more refined screen in the inside. So let's get to it. Oh, let me take that a little bit out. Let's do the first peel. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Right now it's creaseless. Like, I know I said that with this model, but like I said before, Remember guys, you can kind of see it a little bit. It's just the angle right there. You can see it from the top, but in the middle, you cannot even feel it. Holy smokes. And with this one, when I opened it, it was kind of creaseless. You could definitely see it a little more, but what everybody is saying so far from the reviews I've been seeing is that this device has a thin titanium layer under, which is still, actually, let me just see this for a second. Open this up. Let's see. Yeah, it is slightly thicker. You can see it. The new device. This one is a little bit slightly thicker. I wouldn't mind this device getting a little thicker, just like the Z Fold 6. I like that form factor. It didn't bother me. I know people said it was a little too thick, a little too heavy, but give me back the digitizer layer. I don't mind it. I don't use too much of this inner display camera. And yeah, I'm one of the bold ones that say, give me back the under display. I know it looked like dog water, but I didn't really pay mind to it. There's the first close. And now let's get this going. The next peel, ASMR. Oof. Yeah, this device is going to be beautiful to review. I mean, this wide form factor is beautifully done. Like I said before, I like this form factor, but it's too much of a cutout when you're watching videos. This is definitely beautiful. It's a little too narrow. The videos and YouTube is small. Texting is still a little tight. This you can definitely see. It's more wider. It's going to be better for typing, but it is going to have more cutout on the message because obviously it's going to be wider. But you could change that with Gboard, and yeah, there's a lot of apps you could get to fix that problem. But let's see what else it comes with. Obviously, so out of the box, I'm pretty sure it's just a cable. Yep, right here. So it's just a cable and some paperwork. Yep, cable and paperwork, same thing as always. And obviously the SIM ejector tool. Put this to the side. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's really close to this color, not the same. It's a little more darker. To be honest, I kind of appreciate the little more darker tone. This is definitely beautifully done. I love this color. I mean, that's why I went with this one. But yeah, you guys tell me. It's definitely a little more wider with this one. It's actually, yeah, it's a little tough to open this one because it's so tight that your fingertips kind of like go over to the opposite side to open. And they put more plastic here, and you can see like it has a more of a divot. So you could, oh yeah, that's definitely better. But look at next open. So now you can see it slightly a little more. Obviously, I feel like, I know they're saying with this titanium frame, it's going to be less of a crease. You leave it open, it's going to, you know, fix that a little bit more. But I definitely want to see from my review. But let's get into the goodies. Move this one up here for now. Does not go to the case. You guys already know what I start with. The idiot-proof screen protector. I still love this quote, but let's get into it. Shows you step-by-step how to do it. All right, I forgot how to, I hated these things. I remember the last time I did it. It's a little hassle. A little more easier now. Oh, no, spoke too soon. All right, no, let's see. No, it was faster than last time. All right. I'm pretty sure they give you two. Is it just one? Oh, that little plastic was already coming out. Is it one or just? All right. Yep. Two of them, just to make sure. So if you mess up the first one, like me, I always be messing up when I do these little screen protectors. But yeah, let's see what I could get done if it's a first try. All right. So alcohol wipes, alcohol wipes, alcohol. All right. 4 of these bad boys. And to try the device, the screen. So let's just do this. Don't need this. Put you to the side for now. This is what you mainly need. So first thing you do, rip it open. Get your little alcohol swab out. Open it up a little bit. Well, fully, obviously, not a little bit. I like giving it like an opposite opening, so it doesn't work with you, it works against you. All right, perfect. And obviously you guys can see this thing is gonna be a little floppy device, just like its predecessor. Annoying. So get this, open this up. Time to wipe this bad boy down. Oh, look at that. It says D brand on it. Appreciate it, appreciate it. So get it here, give it a nice wipe. All right, I'm pretty sure you put this like this. Make sure it's a little snug in the corners, I'm pretty sure, right? Is it out? Let me just make sure. Can I push it in, yes. So I'm pretty sure you just get it from here and pull down. Yep, there you go. Press down, put your finger right in the middle of it. You can see it's doing its job. Pretty quick and easy, and I'm pretty sure if I get this in the first try, that's pretty awesome. All right, hopefully. A little bit of air bubbles, just in the corner. But yeah, look how easy that was. Definitely a screen protector for idiots just like me. I'm not the greatest when it comes to these things. But yeah, the first try, beautifully done. Wow. Yeah, even the little cutout for the top, that's pretty dope. Yep, perfect. Now let's get into the other goodies. Move this to the side. Yep. All right, let's do... I'm a Spigen fan, so let's do the Spigen first. I actually like their screen protectors as well too. And they have that plastic in the corner too, just like the D brand. It's annoying. All right, move that to the side. Pops over here to the corner. Add this out. Also, all right, it comes with the extra stickers. I'm not gonna put the stickers on right now, as they always do. Nice as a cover. Not gonna take it out right now, to be honest, just for the fact that I'm only gonna be putting this one on my device when I'm out and about. This is not gonna be my everyday case because I like the hinge coverage, but as you can see, there's extra adhesive, so when you obviously remove it, change the case, it's not sticky enough, you can put new ones. I like how they put it right on the side, so right here it doesn't move a lot. So let's just throw it on like this. I'm not going to take out the adhesive because I'm going to be applying the other one. I like the feel of it. Let's see how it looks for the D brand. Nice. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh, I love that. It's like a blue with, yeah, this is a nice one. I do recommend getting kind of like a hinge protector. It's like a plastic. You can get it for like 10 bucks. Put it here so it doesn't get, if you're like me, I like keeping my device clean. Put it in right there so you don't get any scratches. Or if you're clumsy, dropping it or anything. But yeah, no, tell me what you think in the comments below. If you think this is dope. And yeah, it's grippy. Does it move a lot? Yeah. Awesome. Let's try the next one. Put this over here. Right. Zag. So I've seen this case before. This case brand. I've never tried it, but I did see this and I'm a fan of clear cases because I can't put a black case. I like seeing the color of my phone. But yeah, I'm not one of those people to talk smack or anything, but most times when I try different manufacturers that make clear cases for any type of phone, when they always say always clear, guaranteed, yeah, I highly doubt that. But hey, this could probably be the first time, and this is the case I'm wearing 24/7, so I'm going to be testing this. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I think it's easier to put this open, I believe. Let's see. Yes. All right. No, let's do it close because it feels a little weird. So, yep. All right. Yeah. Yep, there's the case. This feels amazing in the hand. Opening. Easier to use. Easier to maneuver. I like this one. It's actually kind of grippy. It's as grippy as that one. Not as much. It's still a little bit slippery, but yes, this is the case I wanted to do. Clear. Easy to use. Oh, there we go. Easy to use. A little more grippy. You see the Zag logo right there. Hinge coverage. Low. It's a low profile case. Something simple. But yeah, I like this one. This one is gonna stay, and this is for my weekend case. When I'm out and about, not at work, so I definitely need to protect my device more at work. And this right here is something I wanted to get. I got it with my older device. This is an old snap, so it's kind of like one of those pop sockets or whatever they're called. All right. Oh, geez. There we go. I don't know why that was like that. All firm function. Okay. So, as you can see, it's to hold the phone. I am clumsy. I like how... Is that it? Doesn't bring anything else. Just that. Anything in the back? Oh, yeah, right here. It's probably the adhesives. Or is there an adhesive for this? Well, in the back came with that. Maybe it is for other brands, but I know it's made for like iPhones because it comes with the other. But what I've seen is put it the opposite way. Still functions the same way. You open it up, props your phone, give it a little more angle, still props your phone, give it a little more angle, still props your phone. It's fine. Upside down, and then, yeah, functions the same. Put your finger in the back, easier to use, and it's pretty sturdy, as you can see. Yeah. So, guys, let me know. I'm gonna get this all set up, and yeah, by next week, you're gonna see a 1 week and a versus. So, this bad boy versus this bad boy. But yeah, comment below if you like the color, because I love the color, and also if you're going to upgrade. I am going to put the link of the Z Fold 8 obviously down below. They have good trade-in deals. I say jump on them now. They give them free stuff, free cases, free screen protectors. Jump on that now. The more you can save, the better. I'd rather you save more money than spend a little too much than you should, because these devices are expensive. But if you got a good trade-in, just like me, or an old iPhone or anything, they give you good deals for it. So jump on that now. I'll comment it below and let me know if you guys like the cases, or what's your favorite case, or what case you prefer rocking with the Z Fold 8 or any other model you have used previous in any other folds. I'm Jose. This is JC Tech Buzz, signing out. Peace.